On the 20th package of sanctions, yes, we aim to have, to come out with this on the 24th of February. And for that, countries are proposing different things, including what you mentioned, the full maritime services ban, and also issues on energy, energy sanctions, and different fertilizers. I mean, these are proposals on the table. So the work is ongoing. I can't say that we have an agreement now, otherwise we would already, declare that we have an agreement. But we had today a lot, so now we continue working with this. On the other question, what everybody sees is that we really need to build our partnerships, but at the same time not creating any new dependencies, because your dependency is also your vulnerability. And we have learned the hard way that, via this vulnerability, you can also be hurt. If you think about the Russian energy that was the dependency on the Russian energy that Europe had. So member states are quite cautious in this regard. We are actually China is posing a long-term challenge because they are using the economic cursive practices towards our markets. So we need to have a response to that. But at the same time, like I say, reach out to different partnerships with different countries across the world. And what I can say also is that there is much appetite for countries outside Europe to also work with us. Being predictable has become virtue.